In this video, I will show you how to get a Japanese display name on Roblox 2024. To get your Roblox Japanese name on Roblox, go to More. And then, click on Settings. Go to Account Info. Click this edit icon. Open Google Translate. Select English to Japanese translation. Input your name here. And simply copy these characters. Go back to Roblox page. Paste it here and click on Save. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!